Alright, I just wanted to explain how I'm making my curved door canopy. This piece of metal here is a culvert that a guy cut off a piece for me. Then I've got a 2x10 treated wood, and out of that, the top part here, the top curved black piece, was cut with a jigsaw out of that 2x10, and the bottom gray piece is what was left over in the bottom from that. And then it's just two 2x4s cut to size there. So I'm going to attach these, just kind of secure them a little bit so that then I can go around the back and screw some wood screws in to attach that 2x4 to the back. Then we'll put some screws in through the front, and then this back here will just be screwed into the wall above the door, and we will hang the front part with a set of hooks and cables and stuff. So there won't be any side supports. It will be supported from the top by cables. Okay, here's the installation. Hang on. So we put it up first and drilled. First I drilled these just in the canopy itself, and then we put it up and I drilled further into the side of the building. Discovered that one of the bits I had did not go through aluminum, so I'm gonna have to go and find a bit plus another bit. The one that I bought that does go through aluminum was too long, and this front part was interfering with being able to drill that hole, so I have to go find a bit that's like 6 inches and not 12. Anyway, bungeed it up to there just to help secure it while my sister held the bulk of the weight, and then put one bolt in, hex bolt with screw, actually with a washer, and I'm gonna figure out how to drill the rest of those holes and then put bolts in there. And we've tightened this up so the whole thing is quite secure, top and bottom, with these little things here. Okay, and I'll back up. There you go.